What's going on, guys? We're at Parker's with Marceline. Hold on. First try. She's here, and she's going to stay here for a while. We picked the car up from English Touch Performance because Rob is hella busy, so we're going to fix what's wrong with the car ourselves. Coolant leak turned out to be a crack in the block, so everything's got to come out, and I'm not quite sure if we're going to build a 2.3 or 2.0, but Josh has a 2.3 there. We don't know when this exactly happened. The main thing is we think it happened when the block originally bent the rods, but there's no proving anything. So there's Marceline. No. Would you consider this the motor blowing? No.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, whatever. Crack in the block. It's not really that obvious. Do I have my keys on me? I think I do. Can you pop the hood? I still love these yellow covers from Laminex.
The motor still run, but
yeah, so I drove the car here from English Touch Performance. So she drives fine. It's just the fact that there's a coolant leak. Here. So if you look here, which I'm going to include a picture,
we already know which spot is.
You can smell. You can even smell it still. But right behind the turbo, on the block, which I'll flash a picture now, there's a coolant leak. So we're going to drain. Oh, there's a lot still in there.
Yeah, but we had it completely full.
Yeah. So basically what happens is it stays in there. Well, it hasn't been running really. Anyway, this needs to come back out. Parker has some awesome ideas for this. Which we're going to do, of course. But please understand, guys, this is the second block with forged internals. So it could have very well cracked the block when the original internals bent. I guess it's my fault for not pressure testing the block, but everything else was fine, so it's depressing, but we get to spend some more time in Tennessee. Like I said, I may do the same 2-liter conversion that Josh is doing. If not, we're going to make sure that the 2.3 that we're dropping in is just done to the absolute max of reliability, so that way we're not back here again, because if this happens one more time, we're dropping an LS or rotary or something else in here. I'm done with these motors if this happens again without me going to a track day. Right?
Correct.
Right. So that's a quick little update for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Next video should be us pulling this motor. I'm sure Eric's going to be there. I don't know about Twyla. She's just kind of standing over there.
You're cute as always. Love you.
You just earned them brownie points. But that's it, guys. I know it's been a while, and I'm sorry for not having a steady stream. It's just this is a Debbie Downer for me. But we're going to be back. We're going to be stronger than ever, and I can't wait for grid life. So remember, guys. I don't know where you're holding that. Quick little update from the previous video as it has come to an end. It's been a couple of days. As you can tell, maybe, I'm at Parker Performance. I'm at Parker's, and we were supposed to pull my engine and his to get ready to go to Tennessee, which we're going this weekend. So if by any chance any of you 2,700 and some people happen to be in Tennessee and you would like to meet Parker, or if there's any sort of car meet going on next weekend, please let me know down below, because we would definitely love to check out the local car scene, and we would like to meet the subscribers. But anyway, point being is, I came here to pull 2 motors, and we ended up doing this. Customer of Parker's came by to get a E30 tune update through Ryan with PD Tuning. And on the way over here, which, speak of the devil, there's Daddy. The turbo decided it didn't want to be a turbo anymore on his way over here. So we've been working on getting that swapped. And while that was going on, we have a lot of stock turbos, but they're in a lot of different pieces. Like one turbo's missing this, one turbo's missing that. So we made one good stock turbo, put it into the car. We're buttoning everything up right now, and then hopefully he's gone. But alas, we started on a Saturday, and now it's Sunday. So happy Easter to everybody that believes in Easter. Otherwise, I believe it's also Passover, if you're Jewish.
I think it is Passover.
Or was it yesterday? Is Passover the weekend?
I'm not sure.
I'm sorry, I'm not Jewish, but I'm German. Anyway, so happy Passover if you're into that. I don't know if there's any other holiday that crosses over, but anyway, you guys enjoy it. But if you're having Passover, you shouldn't be watching this, right? No.
I have no idea.
No, they shouldn't be watching if it's Passover.
You should know
Anyway.
it's your German.
Anyway, they're getting that fixed right now, so then he's done. And then we're coming back on Tuesday to pull the motor for both Marceline and Scarlett. And then the next thing you'll probably see on my channel anyway will be us going up to Tennessee. Whereas on Parker's channel, you'll see whatever other cars will be here. There's some unique stuff happening for sure. And I'm excited to reveal it. It's just that we have to wait for this trip to Tennessee to actually fully release it. So that's something that I'm very excited for, and I hope you guys are excited as well. As far as the EcoBoost platform is concerned, because it will be a revolutionary thing, and it will change the series of EcoBooms. So, yeah, it'll be revolutionary. But anyway, guys, it's like 2 a.m. in the morning on Sunday. Like I said, happy Easter, happy Passover, and we'll see you next time. And remember, it's not over until you win. Even if you're 4 motors in, you got to keep on trucking. You guys have a good night.